So I'm gonna take a little piece from the back, and I forgot to cut off the back lace. Oh my gosh, what is wrong with me? Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, Bella's Beauty. So today we're going to be reviewing this unit that I have on my head. It is from Unice hair. It came as an 18-inch body wave in the color natural black that I cut to about, I guess it's about a 14 or 16. And I lifted it to about a 4, and then I highlighted it to about a 30, if I'm not mistaken. So yes, I'm obsessed. If you guys are interested to see this hair review from start to finish, how I color it, how I cut it, just keep watch. I do have a coupon code with them, so stay tuned. So I'm gonna start by putting my wig on. So this wig came pre-plucked. I didn't do like an unboxing, and I'm kind of upset, but I did do a little video of how we got to this point, and I kind of showed you briefly what it looked like before it looked like this. So this is body wave hair. It is 18 inches. I'm really amazed at how the color turned out. Like, I've only ever bleached hair. I've never like lifted it and tried to actually color it, so I'm really excited. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna flip it inside out, and these clips on the back, these little bra strap looking things, I'm gonna put them as close as possible because I want this wig to really like be snug on my head. So I put it on the third little ring, if you guys can see that. So also what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take, I usually use foundation, but I don't know, we might not need it. So let me just, I'm gonna put it on so we can see. Okay, I only secure the back clip, and this is not frontal, so I don't really have to do too much. I have a clip on the side. I mean, I guess you can secure this too, because why not? But I would be careful because these clips pull your hair. So for the purposes of this video, I'm gonna go ahead and secure the clips. Okay, so this hair ended up dyeing really well, and I think, so that's my stocking cap. I feel like I'm gonna have to put concealer on it because it gets real thin, like towards the front, which is good for us in some ways, but it kind of looks really brassy, you know, and we need to define our part. So I'm gonna go ahead and make our part. So you're gonna need some concealer, and you're gonna need some concealer or lace tint. This is kind of the quickest way I felt that we could get this done. And I kind of want to use foundation because I feel like this concealer is about to be way too light. And we're just gonna try to work on this part to make it as straight as possible. I'm gonna go back in with some eyeshadow to make our part thinner because this part is very wide. I'm using the Nubian 2 palette, and I'm using the color Kenya. Okay, so what you do is, and I'm trying, you might have to mix a couple different colors because I have highlights in my hair and it might look a little off. See, it's better to do this when your hair is one color. Okay, on camera this probably looks phenomenal. Like, it probably looks like I just, I don't know, did something, but it's really, it's not all that, y'all, please. Okay, here we go. Next step. I'm gonna cut this lace. So I'm gonna take, I have some eyebrow scissors in here. So I've been seeing a lot of girls do this. I've been seeing the girls do just like this. So they'll cut it straight down the middle like this. This lace is really good. Like, this is some really good lace. Okay, and I'm gonna kind of cut a zigzag because that's what I see the girls do. Yeah, I'm gonna go zigzag along the hairline. I'm not sure if I want baby hairs on this wig yet. I haven't decided, but I'm so glad it's a 5x5 because it makes it look so much more natural. Okay, And then I'm gonna do the same thing to the other side, just kind of cut in a zigzag pattern. And I don't know why I'm right-handed, so I'm just gonna do it from this side. And this wig came pre-plucked, y'all. Pre-plucked, and I don't think I'm gonna pluck it again. Like, they did a really good job on this. Unice hair, you get a 10 out of 10 from me, honey. Okay. So since this is a closure, you don't need to glue it down, but y'all, I glue my closures down because one, I need security, you know, and I'm like moving all the time, you know. I don't want my wig to fall off. So I'm using this to kind of push this up to make it look more natural. Look at this hairline. You guys, pre-pluck. Okay, you can't put it up too high because then you'll see like the track. So make sure this stays down. And then I'm gonna take this, and I should honestly be using some mousse, which I have some. I'm gonna take a little bit of the Cream of Nature Argan Oil mousse, and I'm gonna put it down. You wanna try not to weigh down your product too much, because then, what am I talking about? Weigh down your hair, because then it won't move, and we don't need a stiff bob, you know? But I'm definitely so glad I curled this earlier because, oh my goodness. Okay, so I'm just letting this go back, and I might need to like just rebrush this because my curls are kind of doing a hokey pokey right now. Oh my gosh. I'm gonna take my little wax stick, and I have these little flyaways that just will not chill out. So I'm just gonna, yes, do like this. Ladies, honestly, you guys know after all these years, I'm still not a professional. I just, you know, I do this because I like to look pretty and all the things. So what I did to this wig, like I said, it came as an 18-inch. But I cut about 2 inches off, and I also gave it some really pretty layers in the front. So I just kind of chopped the front down just like this, so that it can frame my face a little bit better. And I love it. As for the highlights, I did not highlight the whole head. I only did my crown, and I love it. I love the way it turned out. I love the way it looks. Oh my gosh, I feel good. So I'm gonna take a little piece from the back. And I forgot to cut off the back lace. Oh my gosh, what is wrong with me? Kind of like that. And then this. I'm gonna keep just messing with my hair until I'm satisfied with it. But yes, you guys, I'll put all the details in the description below. Make sure you guys shop. Ooh, goodness. Ooh. Make sure you guys shop Unice hair. I have a coupon code for you guys to use. I'm gonna put it right down here in the description box, or if I remember, I'll put it on the screen. Like I said, 18-inch body wave. It came in the color natural black. I lifted it up to about a 4. Yeah, it was about a 4. And then I highlighted it to about a, I don't know what color this is, maybe a 30. I don't know. But yes, guys, oh my gosh, I'm so in love with this hair. As far as shedding while processing, I didn't experience any of that, and I processed it twice. So between blow drying and curling and coloring, you know, twice, you guys, it looked so awesome. Like, this hair is really, really good. That's pretty much it, guys. Thank you guys so much for tuning into this week's video. Huge shout out to Unice hair for providing this amazing unit. I love it so much. It's giving working mom of 3. I usually do not go for brown hair like whatsoever, just because I'm so used to my hair being black. But I don't know, like the brown is looking good with my skin, like, and I only did highlights to like my crown. So, and if you guys hear my dogs, I'm so sorry. But anyways, make sure you guys use my coupon code. I'm gonna put it right here on the end of the screen. I don't know, stay tuned for spring and summer, more lookbooks, more fashion hauls, possibly more makeup tutorials, I'm not sure, but I guess we'll see you together. Bye guys.
From the block, make it clean. I know you special, girl, cause I know too many. Trap money, plenty. I buy you champagne, but you let some hit. From the block, make it